Throw it. Oh, try again.
Watch for that, Mom.
Ooh, nice. Right through the eyeball.
Good job.
Ooh. Ah.
Yes. How many are you gonna throw? That's enough.
Never enough.
All right, 2 more.
Oh, through the mouth. Oh,
Yay.
through the mouth. You fed it.
Well, they have feeding bracelets. Do you want this bracelet? Here you go. Okay, give me your hand. Oh no, it's just a little room.
You're down.
Did you grab a napkin?
You think you're gonna, can you drive this when you get bigger?
When you get older, you can ride that for me. Drive that for me.
It's a video.
You're over there, wait.
That's funny. All right, wave to these people on the right. They're coming on next.
They're waving, Jim. They're waving at you.
You can do it. 1, 2, go. All right, jump. Don't hit him hard. Don't mind. Come on, people around. Yeah. And a hug. Wow, you love the earth. Thank you.
Yeah, well, the mom has a solar panel.